Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a quick little fun video. This is something that I've been doing for a little while. It is shopping day. I have to go pick up some items for the house and a few groceries and things like that. So I thought I would share with you what I have been doing when it comes to shopping and making out my list. I don't know, for some it may be a fun thing to do, and then for others it may not be. But to make mine more interesting, what I've started doing was using up these note cards. I got so many packs of note cards, be it from grab bags from Michael's or from just finding them in the dollar store and thinking they were cute. Just like this one right here. I'm not sure if I got this out of the dollar store or if it was in a grab bag, but I think it was a grab bag, but it's just my initial. And I thought it was so pretty because it has this beautiful little spring theme. Has some little sparkly flowers, and it's really pretty, and it's a really nice day outside. It's cold, but it's nice and sunny, so I thought this would be quite appropriate. So what I do is I just take out one of these note cards, and I love the back. It has this pretty little blue plaid and some more little flowers back there, but I write my list in here and I decorate it on the inside, so when I'm shopping I have something pleasant to look at as I, you know, carry out that task. And of course I have my little envelope. It came with this blue envelope and everything, but it's just something fun to do. So I just write my list, I decorate it, and just have fun with it. So I have this pack of Jot stickers that I got from Dollar Tree, of course, and it has some little bling rhinestone stickers, and then it has some floral stickers and things like that, and it's spring themed. And I've had these, oh gosh, maybe for a couple years, when they first came out with these assorted packs. So I pulled that out of my stash, and now I'm going to decorate it with you guys. So what I did downstairs on my boring old list pad in the kitchen, I just wrote down the things that I could remember that I needed. So I'm just gonna write that in here, and then I'm gonna decorate around it and just make it fun. So I need paper towels and napkins, and I mean, this, you can be as creative as you want, or you know, as simple as you want, but I just do this just to make things interesting and fun. So just writing down everything I need here. And mostly everything I need today is like cleaner and things, you know, to help around the house. Air fresheners, things like that. Yeah, I don't need a whole lot of groceries. But I'm going to pick up some stuff, some necessities and staple items while I'm out. And I have the worst handwriting, y'all, but this is my little list, and nobody's going to be looking at it but me. So, okay, food items. I write down here because I don't need a whole lot. I do need some coffee. Boy, do I need coffee. I go through that like I go through water. So, putting that down here. Need some sugar. And oh yeah, Old Bay. I'm out of my Old Bay seasoning, so I gotta re-up on that. So that is my list for now. If I think of anything else, I'll add it. Okay, so I wrote my list, and so now I'm gonna decorate this. Let's see how I get in here. Oh, I guess I have to go from the top. But this is a cute little set of stickers, so I think I'm gonna add a little bling. Let's see. Ooh, I know. Put a little bling on the outside. So let's see, because I will use my envelope until I get to the store and take out everything. Ew, so I love this little flower right here. So I'm gonna take this one out, and I'll sort of put it here on the front, maybe. There we go. And then I'll add a bling sticker in the center of it. And this is really relaxing and therapeutic in a sense. There we go. That is so cute. Okay. And I may come back and add something else to it, but gotta decorate the envelope. Okay, so let's see what we can add to the inside here. So let's create a little garden, shall we? Since we have all these cutesies in here. Let's do that. So we have a little fence. So what I'm going to do is go from this side. There we go. Roll it over so you can crook it and get it straight. Line it up with the edge. There we go. And get my scissors, which I should have had out. I'm sitting here at my desk. So we're going to cut that off. And make sure I'm staying in frame. There we go. So I love that little fence. Put this back on there. Okay. And let's see, what can we add? You know what, I probably should have put the tree in before I put the fence down. Maybe we can still stick it in. Yep, pretty forgiving. So add a little tree. Raise it up a little bit. There we go. Oh, it's cute. And let's see. Maybe we'll have a little bee flying around. Where do we want the bee? Okay, we put it that way. And have a little bird coming from this side. How about that? Oops, pull it up a little bit farther. There we go. And even though I covered up that, you know, I know what it is. I need napkins, so that's not a problem. Let's see, what else can I add? Let's add some flowers over here on this side. What do we want to do? Do we want... what do we have? This is cute. Let's see. Let's add a little color maybe. Yellow. Oh, maybe it's a little tulip or something. I don't know. Add this one here. Little flower pot. But again, you can pick a theme. You can pick a color theme. Whatever you decide to do, it is totally up to you. This is a great way to use up like stickers that you don't like, or the ones that are kind of left over from, you know, a set that, you know, you probably won't use or whatever, you know, the little random stickers. This is a great way to use those. So let's see. I want another butterfly. Or should I say add a butterfly to it. Let's put a butterfly up there. And here, let's put, how about enjoy the process. So here, we'll stick it up here over my little paper towels. Okay. I don't know. I just love this. I think this is so much fun. Okay. What else we want? I don't know. I kind of like the little sunflower theme going on over here. And then I like the colorful theme that's happening on this side. Well, let's see. Maybe we'll add a little bird that sort of goes with that color on this side. Have all kinds of stuff flying around. Ooh, see? I'm already feeling good. I'm laughing. I'm finding this very entertaining. So, again, have fun with it, guys. This is just, you know, a cool little idea that you can try out. Maybe I'll add a sunflower. Is that one bigger? Yeah, let's do a big one. You can stick it in here on this side. Because, you know, after all this is done, it's just going in the trash. Or you can start a collection and then at the end of the year go back over your lists and reminisce. I don't know. But anyway, this is cute. So I think I'm going to stop here. I love my little envelope. So I think I'm going to leave that just like it is. I kind of wanted to add some bling, but the blue was not working with the stuff that I had going on in here. So let's see. And I love the outside of my card. So I'm going to stop right there. And I'll put these up until next time. But yeah. Put that in the trash. Okay, but yeah, here's my little card. My note card with my grocery list and my cute little Dollar Tree stickers inside. But this is a great little idea, y'all. Just to have fun with your scraps and just little random stuff that you have sitting around. At least to get some use. So, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like this, let me know down below. I'll be glad to do this. Make this a weekly thing. And we can, you know, get more detailed and more, I don't know, creative with the process or whatever. But this is just something that I've been randomly doing here lately. So yeah, hope you like the idea. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I guess this is gonna do it. So until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye guys.